What if this Christmas, your home didn't just sparkle, it spoke? What if every wreath, every candle, and every corner whispered, "Welcome to the season of joy"? Are you ready to decorate smarter, cozier, and more creatively than ever before? Because in this video, we're diving into Christmas decorating ideas that will completely transform your space, whether you're working with a grand living room or a small, cozy nook. Let's unwrap the magic. One idea, one question, one story at a time. Where do you even start when decorating for Christmas? Start with a theme, not a shopping list. Think of your home as a storybook waiting to be written. What do you want it to say when people walk in? Do you want cozy cabin vibes, with plaid throws, pine cones, and flickering candlelight? Or maybe you love a modern metallic look, where silver, champagne, and white shimmer together like snowflakes. Or perhaps you're drawn to that nostalgic red and green charm, full of tradition and family warmth. Once you pick your theme, everything else, from your tree ornaments to your table runners, starts falling into place. It's not about how much you have, but how well it tells one story. Your decor should connect, like chapters in a book, each room leading to the next with its own twist of sparkle. If you start with clarity, even the simplest decorations can look magazine-worthy. If this gave you your starting spark, hit like and share it with someone who's just unpacking their Christmas boxes. They'll thank you for it. What's trending in Christmas decor for 2025? This year, it's all about texture meeting nostalgia. The Nordic natural trend is leading the way. Minimal, warm, and timeless. Think raw wood ornaments, beige linen ribbons, paper stars, and soft, white candles. A calm, grounded look that still feels magical. We're also seeing a rise in eco-chic vintage, where upcycled meets elegant. Dried oranges, handmade garlands, and sustainable materials are stealing the spotlight, proving you can be stylish and kind to the planet. Color-wise, forest green and gold are reigning supreme, often paired, with muted tones like blush pink or midnight blue for contrast. And for the bold decorators, emerald and copper accents are the new statement duo. 2025 is the year of meaningful design. Decor that feels lived in, loved, and lasting. Which 2025 trend fits your home best? Nordic minimal or vintage glam? Drop it below. I love seeing your unique Christmas styles. How do you make your Christmas tree look designer perfect? Your Christmas tree is the heartbeat of your home, so treat it like your main attraction. Start by choosing your color palette, ideally 2 or 3 complementary shades. Then follow the layering method. Lights first. Weave them from the trunk outward to create depth. Ribbon or garland, second. Spiral it gracefully, don't wrap tightly. Ornaments last. Hang larger ones deep inside for volume and smaller ones on outer branches. Mix textures, glossy, matte, and glitter finishes. Add a few surprising details like feathers, bows, berries, or handmade ornaments to make it your own. Finish with a statement tree topper, a star, bow, or even a rustic bundle of twigs. And don't forget your tree base. Wrap it in a cozy blanket, wicker basket, or faux fur rug for a complete look. Want to style your tree like a pro? Check out my Christmas decor playlist. How can lighting completely change your Christmas vibe? Lighting is the emotion behind your decor. It's what turns simple into magical and quiet corners, into cozy retreats. Warm white lights create comfort and nostalgia, perfect for family rooms. Cool whites and icy blues give a sophisticated, modern glow. And multicolor lights? They're pure fun, great for kids' spaces or a playful tree. Layer your lighting. Fairy lights across mantles or shelves, lanterns on the floor or entryway, candles or LED tea lights on windowsills. Even one well-lit garland can make a bigger impact than 10 mismatched decorations. Use dimmers or smart plugs to control brightness and create mood transitions, from calm evenings to festive parties. If you love learning simple tricks that make a huge difference, hit subscribe. I've got more lighting hacks and cozy styling tips coming your way. What are some budget-friendly Christmas decor ideas? You don't need deep pockets for deep impact. DIY plus reusing plus nature. That's your power trio. Turn old glass jars into frosted candle holders using Epsom salt. Use leftover wrapping paper to frame festive art, or wrap books for shelf styling. Gather pine cones, branches, and berries from your garden to create natural garlands and centerpieces. Thrift stores are treasure chests. Vintage ornaments, fabric scraps, or baskets can easily be reinvented. Combine store-bought decor with homemade pieces, and no one will know which cost $1 and which didn't. Creativity always outshines money. Love smart and creative ideas like these? Save this video to your holiday playlist. You'll have a ready guide when it's decorating time. How do you tie the whole house together for a cohesive look? Think of your home as one song. Each room is a verse, but the rhythm stays the same. Repeat small details throughout, the same ribbon color, similar lighting tone, or a recurring symbol like stars or pine cones. Scent continuity matters too. Use one fragrance family for unity. Keep your entryway, living area, and dining space flowing visually and emotionally. That harmony is what makes your home feel intentionally decorated, not just seasonally stuffed. If you're ready to bring your full holiday vision to life, hit that bell icon and stay tuned.